I recently purchased the Dear Beauty Blackhead Remover Vacuum and have been using it for a few weeks now. I am quite satisfied with its performance and results. The design of the Blackhead Remover Vacuum is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver on the skin. It is lightweight and fits well in my hand, allowing me to reach different areas of my face easily. The device is also made of durable materials, which gives it a premium feel and suggests longevity. The suction power of the Dear Beauty Blackhead Remover Vacuum is impressive. It effectively sucks out dirt, oil, and impurities from the pores, helping to reduce the appearance of blackheads and whiteheads. I found that it works best after steaming my face or using a warm towel to open up my pores. The vacuum has multiple suction levels, allowing me to adjust the intensity according to my skin's sensitivity. One of the standout features of this Blackhead Remover Vacuum is the various interchangeable suction heads it comes with. Each head is designed to target different areas and skin types, such as sensitive skin, oily skin, or large pores. This versatility is highly appreciated, as it caters to individual needs and ensures a more customized skincare experience. The device is rechargeable, which is convenient as it eliminates the need for batteries. The battery life is decent, and I find that a single charge lasts for multiple uses. Overall, the Dear Beauty Blackhead Remover Vacuum is an effective tool for tackling blackheads and improving overall skin clarity. Its powerful suction, ergonomic design, and interchangeable heads make it a reliable choice for at-home skincare routines. While it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution for all types of blackheads, it provides noticeable results when used correctly and consistently. With a few minor improvements to the instruction manual, this product would be even more user-friendly.